Good afternoon, folks. This is Ann with you today at the Pines to take a look at our Standard Espresso floor plan. Let's take a look. Now this one is a D apartment, which means it's going to be a garden level. So no patio here, but still really well lit. And this guy, of course, also has our great digital locks, so you have both keyed and keyless entry. When we walk in here, right at the entry, of course, we've got some nice wood vinyl for you to keep all the salt out in the winter. And of course, a nice big coat closet for all of our lovely Michigan winter jackets. Then right in here, we have a nice big spacious living room. It's definitely going to be able to fit a nice sized couch. And as you can see here, still really nicely lit. Now right off of the living room here, we've got this fun little closet. Now, it's not the most conventional in shape, but it's actually fantastic for a ton of reasons. That little nook is great for luggage, seasonal clothing, or even decorations. Anything that you kind of need out of the way, but still easy to access and out of sight if you need it to. Now, going right through the hallway here, that's going to take us to our beautiful galley-style kitchen. Of course, we got the wood vinyl floors here for you and tons of cabinets along with our white appliances. We got the fridge freezer for you. Got plenty of space in there, nice and cool. And of course, the fridge. Now we got plenty of cabinet space for you, both high and low. And don't forget that dishwasher. Now over here you have a cute little breakfast nook, and check out all of these windows. So if you're not a big kitchen table eater, this can be a super versatile space for you. Maybe an office space or even a creative space. You've got outlets on both sides, and surprise, a nice little pantry or storage space, whichever you choose. Then heading back through the kitchen area here, we're going to the bathroom. Now what's super awesome about this floor plan is that your bathroom actually, surprise, has two entries. One for your master and one for the hallway. So that way your guests don't have to go through your bedroom to get to the bathroom. Now what's also cool here is we've got a nice big vanity, and of course everyone loves a good drawer. Plus the medicine cabinet to give you tons of storage here in the bathroom. And then here, this is a standard, so we see our white tile here, but we could also possibly have the white acrylic backsplash or the beautiful beige tile if it's been upgraded. Now here is the master bedroom. As you can see, we have a nice big room in here and can definitely fit a king comfortably, even with additional furniture. And still lovely, well lit with the big window. And that takes us into, of course, the walk-in closet. Cannot have an apartment without that big old closet. So we'll do a quick walkthrough on our way back. And alrighty folks, if you like this video, this is our espresso floor plan in the standard renovation. If you like it, check it out. It's actually our most popular one bedroom, and we'd love to get you in to see one today. You can give us a call at 734-434-3455 or come over to our office at 4907 Clover Lane Drive. Make sure you wear your mask. See you soon.